This is the first dedicated eSports venue of its kind in the country. We also have the first dedicated eSports college. Whether you love gaming, whether you love content creation, or see yourself, running a YouTube channel, there's opportunities here to learn more about this industry. We have big dreams and ambitions for training Ireland's first Olympic eSports team also in this venue.
And we think it's the perfect venue for a little showdown between Conor Drinan, defender for Cork City FC.
Played FIFA since I was very young, probably 7 years old up, so played a lot of hours on it. The setup inside here today is absolutely phenomenal, and I think it's only kind of getting bigger every year. I've seen it going into the Olympics as well, which is a huge step for it.
And he will be put to the test against pro esports player Ciarán Walsh.
Probably better known online as Mr. Welly. I'm a professional esports player, so I represent the club Wild, Cork City FC and the Irish national team. From a professional standpoint, we just find the meta, most effective tactic available. We're always hunting for that, and we don't care if it's not very pretty. I do like to think of myself as something of a football purist, so I like all the skills, but if that's not what it's effective, that's not what I'll be using in tournaments.
Considering he's a pro, I think if I keep below double digits, I think I'll be happy. I'll probably put everyone behind the ball just to probably do it, but try and make it work.
I have played, lots of professional footballers before. They've got a good IQ for football, so I think it's going to be a fun matchup.
It's going to be Ireland versus Ireland today. Ciarán in the green, leaving the white jerseys to Cork FC defender Conor.
Ready to go, right.
It's a bit easy now here as well.
Don't really go easy.
You were saying you've been clocking up the hours?
Since this came out, I haven't seen the outdoors in a while, but it's worth it. Do you think the real game helps you in EFC?
A small bit, because obviously you can kind of understand football a lot bit better. Do you know what I mean? But then when you come up against someone like yourself now who plays every day, that's a good finish. That's a good finish.
Of course. I knew exactly what I was doing there. That's unstoppable.
Should have done better, but
that's a serious finish though. Last year you would have been in the game yourself, is that right?
Yeah, I would have. As I said, no.
Weird.
Being able to say that you're in FIFA is pretty cool.
Yeah,
Do you know?
yeah.
It was still funny, even on Instagram, you get kind of a few messages from young kids saying, "Oh, I packed you" or whatever.
Yeah.
It was quite funny, but.
Were you happy with your rating in the game, or do we need to have a bit of reward with you?
No, do you know what? I was happy to be on the game. I won't go into fighting EA now over the rating.
Okay.
So just being able to say I was on the game now, happy enough.
Oh. Beauty.
I'm fairly happy at 2-0 after 35 minutes. Second half?
Second half, we're ready to crack on.
You were on about earlier, kind of representing Ireland. Would that be your proudest moment in eSports?
Yeah, I'd say so. To represent Ireland in anything is that's the dream for any young lad really. For me it just happened to be eSports, and big news recently is that eSports is going to be in the Olympics, so I'll be looking to be Ireland's player, be something serious. It's something I never thought I'd get to, not by this means anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, what a touch. Oh.
How does it feel for you then, kind of going out into a tournament where it's kind of not as much kind of support in terms of people being there?
What we have is a lot of people watching online, the game's been streamed and that. I do receive a lot of love and support from fans online, but fans actually running onto the pitch and shouting your name is just...
It's a different type of feeling, because they're probably just excited, if not more excited.
I think it's time to flip the switch. No, there's so many defenders. You're not doing bad, to be fair. I do think that the football IQ is coming in.
Can I just say on camera, I haven't played in 2 years and I'm up against a pro, so I'll take it to them.
Yeah, we'll take it. Good game.
Good game,
Well
good
played.
game in fairness,
Well
yeah, wasn't bad.